In this video, we are going to learn how to import individual projects, import all projects from your Google Drive, and learn how to copy your projects from your device to the SAM Cloud and vice versa. To begin, let's open up your SAM Studio account. When you first log in, you may notice that there are no projects that have been saved in your Projects tab. If you've been using SAM Studio previously, we can import old projects by clicking on this button, Import, at the top right of your screen. This button will be available to both you and your students. This is to provide an option to import old projects from our previous SAM Studio platform. First, let's look at how to import an individual file that you have previously downloaded to your computer. By clicking on the Import button, you will see that you can choose a file to select to import. You can choose whether or not you want the project to save just to your computer or to the SAM Cloud, so that no matter what device you're using, that project will be available. Choose your file and drag it here to this area, or click in the area to select your file. Once selected, simply click on Import, and your file will load to your account. You may have to click on Refresh in order to see the project card. What if you have many projects that you would like to import all at once? If you've been saving projects to your Google Drive in the past, you can import everything simultaneously. To do this, simply click on your Google Drive. Now, select Sign In and choose the account to which your projects have been stored. As you can see, all of your projects will import simultaneously for your use. Depending on how many projects you have saved, it may take a minute. Now, you may be wondering why there are different options to save. The benefits of saving to this computer are that you can continue to work on any of the projects stored here offline using our Progressive Web app. So if bandwidth is stretched at school, or if your students are working on a project at home with unreliable Wi-Fi, they're still able to access the projects on this device. To access the Progressive Web app, all you need to do is go up to your Chrome settings, go into the More Tools selection, and create a shortcut. Now that you know the benefits of storing projects to this computer, let's talk about why you might want to consider saving them to the SAM Cloud, our server. The SAM Cloud offers unlimited storage of projects, regardless of the computer that you're actually using. You can count on all of your projects to populate here when you sign in, no matter the device that you've signed in on, and they'll automatically save without fear of ever having to lose them. It's also easy to move projects back and forth between this computer and the cloud. Simply click on a project's card menu, and then down at the bottom, select Save Copy. In this case, it'll say in your browser because it's going to save it to the computer. You'll see once the project has successfully copied over, and once you click, you'll see it populate at the top left. Likewise, you can select a project to save into the cloud. Once you see that it has successfully posted, go into the cloud, and you can see it populates here as well. Projects that you have saved from your Google Drive can also be shared to the cloud in this computer by simply clicking on the project card menu and deciding whether you want that project to be sent to the cloud or to your browser in this computer. Once you make your selection, you'll see that it posts successfully, and you can go into that same selection to see a copy of that project moved over. Now that you know how to import old projects, it's time to get coding.